Welcome to our Miele Experience Center and to our cooking school. This is our newest cooktop. Just a little bit on what induction is. It works on a magnetic principle, and the heat is created inside your pan. While that's heating up, I'm going to just explain what this particular temperature control, how it works. So they've 3 settings, and they're all preset to give you 3 levels of frying. So level 1, it's perfect for doing scrambled eggs, for example. Level 2 is for doing bacon, frying sausages. Level 3 is when you want to do your wok cooking or your stir frying, really high. You're doing lots of meat. Just pop that on. Now it goes right up to 9, our maximum. Beyond 9, there's a boost function.
Oh, okay. Right.
So if you're bringing that pot of water to boil and you want that extra power, you would select boost. Yeah, that's a better color. So that's our seed.
Beautiful.